Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making my ultimate smoky jollof rice step by step, the way I love it at home. Here are the peppers I will be using. I bought some pepper, red bell pepper, atarudu, onion, and some tomato, and I blend them to this consistency. These are the other ingredients you'll be needing. The pepper mix. For this recipe I used about 4 cups of rice, then bay leaf, some butter, ginger and garlic, chopped onion, seasoning consisting of thyme, salt, curry and bouillon, then some tomato paste. In a pot, I added some amount of oil and allowed it to heat for some time. Then I went ahead to add some chopped onions and fried it until it was slightly brown. Also, I added some thyme and bay leaves right here so they infuse into the oil. After that, I went ahead to add some tomato paste and fry until the oil separates from it and it begins to float. I stir it until the tomato sauce begins to stick to the pot. Then I went ahead to add my pepper mix and fried it slightly. At this point, you can already smell the combo. The kitchen smells amazing. I went in with my seasoning, some thyme, curry, ginger, garlic, and some bouillon, and I stirred it for a bit. Then I added some washed rice and stirred it, about 2 cups of water to cook everything through on low heat. Normally people cover the pot with foil or parchment paper, but I didn't have any, so I used nylon to trap the steam. It works just fine as well, and it gives you that signature smoky jollof flavor. Once it's cooked, I added some butter and covered the pot to give it that shine. And yeah, the smoky jollof rice is ready. Look at how fluffy and vibrant it looks. And here is our final plate: smoky, flavorful jollof rice topped with peppered chicken. Would you be trying this recipe? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.